Today on Excite Video Magazine, we check out a Veilside Fortune kitted NSX. Now here is something rare that you do not see all the time. A Veilside kitted NSX. And I don't mean a regular kit. I mean the full facelift. The Fortune series from Veilside replaces or modifies every body panel on the car except for the roof. This leads to a car that is wildly different from its factory state. For the Honda NSX, this includes rear fenders, a trunk, a spoiler, a taillight set and rear bumper, door add-ons, front fenders, hood, headlights, mirrors, and a front bumper. All for the low price of 1,800,000 yen or about 16,000 US dollars. The kit, along with the interior mods, gave this car a 2000s vibe, and for an old guy like me, that's awesome. You know what else is awesome? The fact that I film drift and car events all over Japan's western island of Kyushu. D1, grassroots, classic car shows, I get to film them all. Sometimes I even run around with my wife so I can show you the real Japan. If that sounds cool at all, do yourself a favor and hit the subscribe button below. Peace.